potato they called มันแก้วThinking. Just right off. That's fine. Don't do stuff. You can make it into a scene. And again, spin. So you can just cut it. Can you hear crunchy? You can just turn it off, with the piece. It sounds so crunchy. Okay. And you can just eat fresh. Quite plain, but watery, a bit water. It's fresh. Especially if you put in the fridge, or you can have like liquor. Basically, it's like liquid for made from sugar, a little bit of salt and chili powder. So you can have a little bit of taste. I love it this way because it's more taste. You can taste a little spice, salty. Or you can eat it fresh. Well, I'm going to finish it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.